Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Thursday, July the 21st, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and we can see we have a very large red-bodied candle. Previous day's trading, we had a spinning top type candle, which is a candle of indecision, and suggested that the momentum that the bulls had was not continuing. There was a definite chance for a change of trend to the downside with this indecisive spinning top type candle, and we were put on the alert to wait for a lower high and a lower low. That lower high and lower low didn't eventuate. That's why the low of the yesterday's candle was so important for the market if there was going to be a change of trend. So obviously when the market took out the high of today's candle in a bullish way, it certainly was a signal for the market to test to higher levels around 1332, its previous support and resistance level, and then throughout the trading day the market broke out up above there in a very bullish way. Now we can see that the market found resistance at 1344, an area that we highlighted previously as resistance. If the market does continue to the upside, and there's no reason why the market's a very bullish candle with the buyers in control and showing strong commitment to take this market higher, although they did lose some commitment as they traded around 1344. If the market does continue up and take out 1344 in a bullish way, then we do have some resistance around this swing high at 1356 and another previous level at roughly 1360. Above there, there are a few zones of resistance at 1363 or 1364 roughly, and 1370. Above that level, there's no solid resistance until the market trades up to around 1400. So if we're going to have a bullish week next week, and the market tests all of these areas successfully, and we have bullish breakouts out above here, then the market may be on its way to trading to 1400. But we don't want to preempt the market. We want to watch the market as it trades and look at how the market reacts to these areas of resistance up above. Now, down below, we do have good solid support down below the current candle, down around the 1324 area where the market broke out of a few days ago, and certainly down at the top of the cloud, 1316, extending down to the round number 1300. And then potentially below there over the coming week, extending down to around roughly about 1290. But this market is looking fairly bullish. Now, interestingly, if we do have the market break out up above the swing high here at 1356, it will be a continuation of the trend in the second time frame. We can see here we have the trend in the second time frame began at this candle here a few weeks ago and is continuing on with a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. And here we have a trough, a peak, a higher trough, and a higher peak as the market took out that previous peak. Here now we have another higher peak, a higher trough, and if the market does take out that peak, we will have another higher peak, confirming the trend to the upside in the second time frame. So that will mean that the market really has quite some good strong upside momentum. Now, looking at the character of these candles as we're in this first time frame uptrend, two very large red-bodied candles and two very large green-bodied candles and one small red-bodied candle, and that really does say something about the power of the bulls in this upswing. And it seems that the bulls will have momentum to test above 1344 and perhaps test up to this 1356 area. In Ichimoku charts terms, the market is trading up above the cloud, and we have had a bullish breakout above there 3 trading days ago, so that was a buy signal in Ichimoku charts. The market is also trading above the Kijun Sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan Sen, and that means that the market is bullish in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes. Just one thing to watch out for is that the Kijun Sen is still pointing flat. It's still pointing sideways, and while it's doing that, there is a chance that the market may retrace back towards there. Having said that, however, there aren't any signs in this market that there will be any potential retracement of the first time frame upswing that the market's in. The bulls have certainly shown that they're controlling this market very strongly and that they're very strongly committed to taking this market higher. if we do see some negativity come into the market around this 1344 level tomorrow, if we see any of these spinning top type candles or doji type candles or tweezers top patterns or whatever, or haramis, then we do need to watch for a potential test to lower levels. But as we've always said, when we see a change in the short-term dynamics in the market, we do need confirmation of any change of trend. So we never take any trades based on those signals until we have confirmation of that. So that's why in those situations, the low of the candle, for example, here with this indecisive spinning top tail candle, is important because it will potentially set the market up for a lower high and lower low if it's taken out. So for the next trading day, 1344 is a very important level in a bullish market.